learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Shashan Village in Hsinchu's Chunglin Township is the only place in Taiwan to find the traditional Hakka lion dance. This type of performance developed as a means to practice martial arts. Performers move to the beat of a drum. The local dance group specializes in the so-called 7-star step, with its delicate but lively moves.
Yo, what's up? Welcome back to Talk About Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 大家好，我係練習小 Joseph Lin, along with Leo to tell you more about the Hakka culture, to go in deep and find out more things associated with maybe music, food, or groups. 那今天有没有什么特别的团体可以介绍给大家呢？
我最近有就听朋友介绍了一个团体，叫做行走迥岭下山客家大使团，有没有很长啊？
怎么那么长的 title 啊？我只听到客家的什么什么团，请 break it down for me, OK？第一个是地方，对不对？新竹嘛，行走 ，OK？It's a group from 新竹 County。
迥岭，琼林乡。
Oh, okay, the township of Chongling. Okay, this is where it's more specific where this group is from. 好，那第三个呢？
下山就是下山村，
他们要从山上下来就对了。
不是
下山，
那个就是
下山是一个村
子，就是名字。
All right, there's a village known as 下山，
对，
就是新竹的琼林下山。OK， 那后面呢？
客家大使团就是客家的舞狮团。
哦，重点在这里了啦，大使团就是舞狮团的意思。
是的，舞龙舞狮啊，我们叫做娘龙大使，
娘龙大使，它真的大师这两个字就对了。
是。
Oh, okay, that makes sense. It sounds like hitting the lion, but you're not really hitting the lion, but you're hitting a lot of drums and also have the lion dance group perform. All right, 所以这个团体成立很久了吗？
他在日本时代的时候就已经成立了。
Okay.
他们的团长啊，听说已经70几岁了，是国宝级国宝级的哦。
Oh, so this group has been established for a long time. It was established during the Japanese occupation era, but currently the leader, who is already 70-some years old, the current leader, team leader, he's known as a national treasure too. 他等于是一个国宝级的人物了。
对。
Let's teach you how to say that. How do you say 国宝级？
国宝级。
国宝级. Okay, that means you're a national treasure. So again, this group is from Hsinchu, and then the Hakka Lion Dance Group, 客家舞狮团。
客家大使团。
客家大使团. Now you know, to hit the lion means to perform the lion dance. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.